Welcome to Salty Cooking. I'm Salty. Today we are making southern sausage gravy with biscuits. First thing we will work on is the biscuits. We need to grate 3 sticks of butter. I'd freeze them before you grate them. It'll be easier on you. They won't slip all over in your hands. It's gonna take a while. What? Judgy much?
No.
Cooking has its struggles.
Yeah, when you're doing it with one hand.
I'll throw my pills at you.
The butter. I got an itch.
I'll just eat at work.
Oh. Well, you don't want
No.
my nose butter?
No, I'll just eat
When have my biscuits ever been dry?
You are doubling the recipe.
It sounds like you're breaking
Yeah,
it.
no, don't break it. One by one, all my kitchen gadgets.
Did I destroy?
Yeah, you just
Starting with the hand mixer.
Yeah, you just.
It just couldn't take no more peanut butter cookies, that's all.
Are you okay?
Looking for a spot to fill. And after you done wash your hands, you put all your butter back in the freezer to chill. Okay. Now in a big bowl, we're gonna get a sifter out. And we're gonna combine 4 cups of flour. Get that in the sifter. Along with 4 teaspoons of baking powder, ½ teaspoon of baking soda, and 1 teaspoon of salt. In the sifter. Now that we got all that mixed together in the sifter, we're just gonna pass it on through. Okay. At this time, you let your butter stiffen before you put it in your flour mixture for better results. Freeze it until your butter is brittle. Alright, now that we waited about 15 minutes to let our butter chill, we got our butter, and you're just gonna plop that on in there. Try to anyway. Get a spoon. And just get it in there. Yes, the main ingredient in this is butter. So now we're just gonna mix it. Mix it until all the butter is covered by the flour. Should look something like that. Now we're gonna add our last ingredient, 1 cup of whole milk. Or 2%, whatever you like. Just milk. Just mix it in there. You don't need to fold it or anything. Just mix it. Mix it until it's super clumpy. And you can take your hand and just kind of form it. I will say, if everything's frozen, like including your flour, if everything's frozen, you're gonna get a better result. More flakier, fuller biscuits. Okay, we'll try it. Let's see if it forms. Yep. It should clump together like that. Nice, flaky clump. And just do that with the rest of it until it's all kind of incorporated in the bowl. Just kind of clump it together. Alright, now we are going to flour our surface. Just get a nice overall nice floured surface. Now we're going to take our mixture, kind of plop it on there. It's going to look dry, but that's alright. That's what we need. It's going to look all better in the oven. And just begin pressing it down. You don't even need a roller. Okay. Alright, now we're going to get our pan ready. Make sure it's nice and oiled. Good enough. Set that right there. Going to get our biscuit cutter. Get our biscuit cutter out.
You could just have cutter too.
Oh, I was thinking of shaper. It's a biscuit shaper.
Oh, there you go. Eh, that's whatever.
Just like that. Yeah, get all those layers in there. That's what's gonna make it good. Just place it on your baking tray. They're not gonna spread out too much. I'd give it like a 2-finger distance away from each other. And what you do with this dough, you just kind of fold it, mash it. Oops. Don't do that. And pretty much just get the rest in there. Mold it to the inside. Yeah, pretty much. Okay, throw them in the oven 15 minutes. If they're not done in 15 minutes, then bake them for another 5 until they're done. Now that we're starting to get to the end, it's starting to get a little more crumbly, so you might have to mold it inside your cutter. Yeah, that one's a little crumbly. That is okay.
How many did you make?
8. Alright, the timer rang. It's been 15 minutes. Let's check on these biscuits. Now, don't you just look at that. Look how much they have risen. I'd say that's a done biscuit. Yep, it seems like they are all done. Now we just wait until our sausage gravy is done. Okay. You gotta mash your ground sausage so you can make gravy out of it. Transfer your sausage to a bowl, just put it off to the side. All our bacon grease. We're gonna put our bacon grease, at least a little bit of it, right there in the pan. Now we're gonna take our flour. And this is just a thickener. Take your tablespoon. And I'd say a scoop like that. And let's brown this flour in the bacon grease. It's a wood spoon. It's not metal. Don't scratch the bottom of your pan. If it's a little too watery like that, add just a little more flour to thicken it up. Yeah, there we go. Get our milk. Get it in there. Start out with like a half cup. Lower the heat so it doesn't cook your milk. And just stir until it thickens. Gradually, maybe adding more flour or milk. Okay, see, now it's starting to get nice and thick. That's a good consistency for gravy. But if you want it a little more thin, then add more milk. At this point, it's pretty much all to taste. So add milk if you want it the way you want it. Add more flour if you want it the way you want it. It's all to taste right now. And it also depends on how many people you're feeding too. If it turns out to be a little clumpy, just keep stirring. Still a little clumpy, but just keep stirring. It's all going to be to taste, but I'd start out with a teaspoon. And if you want more of a bacon flavor, pour more grease in there. And just keep stirring. Don't stop your stir. Our sausage. It all should look like that. That's nice sausage gravy. Turn your heat up. Now make sure you tell your family it's ready and enjoy. If you don't have a family, eat it before it gets cold.
Wow,
Ready?
made a fork.
All right. Oops. Look at that. That gravy turned out nice and thick. Now let's cut into it. Let's try a piece. That's some flaky.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't even want to stick to my fork. Oh, here goes nothing. That turned out excellent. If you like this recipe, follow me for more.